play with Amy and Bella, the Amy Sanchez channel.
Welcome back to our channel. I'm here with Bella and our 3 little baby borns. And we are going to have a fun little picnic outside. It's very warm today. And we've got Puppy Doodle with us. And so we are going to go ahead and get the picnic ready. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Reagan, what do you have in your little bag? It's got a little rainbow on it. Let's look inside. Ooh, we've got your little toys. You guys want some toys to play with?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here you go, Chloe. There we go. It's so nice outside. We probably should have put you guys' sun hats on because it's kind of hot. Desiree, yeah, they got their cute headbands. And also they're wearing their 3 little matching outfits that we got them together. And they look really cute. And we're gonna play with Puppy Doodle outside too. And since Puppy Doodle's potty training, we're gonna make sure and let her go potty outside too. So you guys wanna start with some snacks?
Yeah.
We've got our little picnic bag here. And let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's see what's inside. Ooh, girls. We have some juice boxes. We've got this one, and this one, and this one. And since it's hot, we want to stay hydrated. Okay, here's your little juice boxes. And then we also have some yummy cookies, vanilla and chocolate cookies. So we can give each of you a little cookie to eat. And let's go ahead and feed you. Desiree, here's a bite of cookie. Yummy, good. Here's some juice. Is that yummy?
I like juice.
You want some too?
Desiree, do you want your cookie? Do you like it? More. Okay. Guys, see her cracker. Hey, do you want some juice? It's so yummy. Yeah, you like your juice. Hey, Chloe, here's your snack. You like your cookie? Yeah, I want some more. Okay, here you go.
You guys hear the birds?
Uh-huh. I'm thirsty.
They're singing.
I'm thirsty. Okay, here's your juice. You want to try to hold it? Oh, she likes her juice.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and feed Puppy too while you guys are drinking your little juice boxes and eating your little crackers. Are you ready to eat too, Puppy? We got a little bottle for you so we can feed you something.
You have your little bottle. Are you hungry?
She was thirsty, wasn't she?
Mm-hmm.
Good girl.
There we go.
I think she might be needing to go potty.
She found a spot.
Oh, she's going potty. You girls think that's funny?
Puppy. Puppy silly. Puppy like pee-pee. Good job, Puppy. You go pee-pee in the grass, but not in the house. Alright guys, well, it's starting to get really hot outside, so we're just going to go ahead and take them in before they all get sunburned. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and let us know if you think that they had a good picnic, and make sure to congratulate Puppy Doodle for going pee outside. Thanks for watching. Bye!